welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm gonna cook chapati flatbreads. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna use this to roll and this one. So this is the important things you need when you're making chapati, okay? And I hope that you will enjoy my cooking. So this is example, and here I have flour, 1 kilo. I have salt, I have oil. Then this is my mixing stick, so I have to mix it like that. And then I have warm water around here. This one is warm water, so I have to add just a little bit, and I continue with the mixing like the way you see. So I'm gonna mix it till the end, until it forms a dough like that. I'm using now my hands. Make sure you wash your hands first, okay? So there we go. So I think it's about to be ready. Like that. See? So, and I have to cover it for 10 minutes or 15. And after that, I have to roll it again. Like that. So I'm rolling it because I want to make the small pieces. That's why I'm rolling it like that, and I'm adding some oil that way. It's very simple to make chapatis, yeah, or flat pan breads, yeah. So I'm cutting them like that. I know you understand how it goes, that way. So, and after that, I have to cover them again for 5 minutes, or yeah, like that. So this means that it's ready to be fried. You see, I'm getting somewhere. So I kept my pan on the heat. Somewhere you're gonna sit now. This one here, and I'm using the normal cooking oil. The pan is already heated, so I have to apply a little oil like that. So I'm ready to go. So I'll have to pull this one. It's a little bit too bright. Yeah, there it's better. So I'll have to wait until it gets a little bit dry. And I'll have to turn them one by one, like that until the end. So that way, see? So I'm adding a little bit of oil on top of it, or you apply oil after turning it out, so that you can also turn the other part and fry the other side. There we go. That's how it works. You see, it's turning color, brownish like that. If you want it to have some more spots, I don't know how you can explain it, but for me, if you want it to have many brown spots, you can put one chapati on top of it. Then you turn it around like you're pressing it a bit. Then you'll see it coming out with many brown spots. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. But I'll just show you in a while what I'm trying to say. All right. What is your problem? So I'm gonna just turn like that. You see this one? So nice. So it doesn't take so long to cook them, but it needs when you are in the right moods so that you can make them come out soft or the way you want them to be. Okay, cooking is always good. And this is one of my hobbies because I love cooking. Also eating. It's not bad. You see now? This is what I was saying. I've added this one on top, and then you will have to see the way it will come out with many spots, many brown spots, you see? See this one? That way. I'll still have another example. It will be there in a while, or I'll show it to you in a few. Okay. Don't go away. Just wait. Don't go away. You can't be eating bread from the shop every day. We need to have something for a change, yeah? So it's better when you cook this one in the house, at least to enjoy with your family, yeah? Here we go. So check out, check out, check out, check out. This one here, you see the spots? It has many brown spots. They are bigger. Sometimes when you roll and then you're using too much flour, and then the pan has let me say, flour, it's mixed with the oil, then your chapatis will come out dirty. So what you have to do, you just pick the pan and then you put some warm water, you rinse with some warm water, and then you can continue the cooking so that your cooking will be clean. That was just a tip, okay? You see. And this one, it was the last one. So here they are. As you can see, this one here, just do like this and then it's coming out like that. It's very, very soft. It's very, very soft. So enjoy and enjoy these soft laid chapatis. Follow me. Thanks for watching Joyce Arts.